In a world dominated by supermarkets and convenience stores, the ancient art of foraging offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature and acquire food from the wild. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a survivalist, or someone simply curious about nature's pantry, identifying edible plants in the wilderness is a skill worth mastering. Today, we'll delve into the fundamentals of foraging, exploring how to identify safe, edible plants and avoid potentially harmful ones. As we embark on this journey, let's remember one key rule: when in doubt, leave it out. The wilderness is home to numerous plants that can nourish us, but it also hosts its share of dangerous species. The first step to safe foraging is education. Invest time in learning about regional plants through field guides or local foraging workshops. Observing plants in their natural habitat with an expert can provide invaluable insights. One of the most recognizable and safe plants to start with is dandelion. This ubiquitous plant is not only easily identifiable by its bright yellow flowers, but every part is edible. The leaves make a nutritious addition to salads, the roots can be roasted, and the flowers can be transformed into syrups or tea. It's a beginner's ally in the world of foraging. Another plant to familiarize yourself with is the cattail, often found near freshwater sources. Cattails offer nourishment year-round. In early spring, the shoots can be eaten raw or cooked. The pollen can be used as a flour substitute, and in winter, the roots can be boiled or roasted. Next, let's talk about berries, nature's candy. While many berries are safe and delicious, such as wild strawberries or blueberries, some, like the red baneberry, are deadly. To avoid mistakes, remember that positive identification is critical. Pay attention to color, shape, and growth patterns, and consult reliable resources before consumption. Beyond identification, understanding the ethics of foraging is paramount. Sustainable foraging practices ensure that we leave enough plants for wildlife and future foragers. Always harvest responsibly, taking only what you need and leaving the environment undisturbed. While many plants are safe, some are toxic and even deadly. Hemlock, for example, is one plant to recognize and avoid. It resembles many edible species, yet it contains potent toxins. Similarly, mushrooms, though a rewarding find, can be perilous. Unless you're an expert, it's best to forage them with caution. Backed by knowledge and respect for nature, foraging can be both a practical and spiritual experience. As you hone your skills, you'll find that the wilderness brims with sustenance and surprises, awaiting discovery. Connecting with nature this way demands patience, but it rewards you with intimacy with your environment and a profound appreciation for the food we often take for granted. In conclusion, foraging is not just about gathering food, but about embracing an ancient practice that aligns us with the rhythms of nature. As you explore this art, always prioritize safety, continue learning, and practice mindfulness. Remember, the key to successful foraging lies not only in the bounty you harvest, but in the wisdom and humility you gain along the way. Enjoy your adventures and forage thoughtfully.